Junk modelling is great for children as it's lots of fun, develops their imagination and creativity, and uses recycled materials, making it great for the planet too. This junk modelling activity will encourage children to make a robot using junk modelling materials. Try to provide your child with as many materials as possible, but also let them be independent and make their own decisions. You can also use this as an opportunity to talk about recycling. Ask your child to make a robot or other objects using their materials. Allow them to be creative and decide which materials they would like to use and how they are going to attach them. Encourage children to think about which materials will match each part of their object or robot. For example, the size, the colour and the materials. And also think about its structure. How will we get it to stay together? Would tape or glue work? To access the full guide and to look at more activities, visit our play-based Twinkl Tots course on the website.